Hello everyone, welcome back. So the craft art series is back. We are making a boy or a girl. Okay, it's a girl only. I'm sorry, I have done a lot of work today. Okay, so we are making a girl here and she's wearing a cute frock here and your girl is done. Okay. The next one here is, what are we making here? You're making a flower here. No, that's not a flower. That's a bunny. Yeah, that's a bunny, and I think we have seen this somewhere. So she is a bunny. Actually, she's also wearing some cute dresses, and if you want, you can color them in whatever color you want. Now, in case of bunnies, so bunny is also back, and now just give him some cute eyes and some cute dress, and your bunny is done. The next is we are making a giraffe here, and for that all you have to do is simply just repeat the process as we are doing it here. What else I can tell you? Oh god, that's not even a giraffe, that's your zebra without the print. Yeah, that's without the print. Okay, so for making this dog, all you have to do is sorry, that's a puppy. Yeah. So for making him, this one is quite cute, though I'm very exhausted, but I just can't. Oh god, I just don't get the words. Okay, for what are we making here? These are claws, yeah. The next one is, if you want to make this cute bear, all you have to do is give him some cute expressions as we have given it here. And yeah, he's going somewhere. The next one here is, what are we making is a leaf, and okay, so your leaf is already made. Oh, that's a grapevine. If you want, you can make this. That's like a very story is connected with your grapevine. If you know, you can tell. Okay, so the next is your birdie bird, and that's quite easy to make it. These are very easy, so you can make all of them. The next one is, okay, so that's almost. Oh god, I just don't know his name. That's something with P only. Patrick and okay, whatever. So he's also a fan of your SpongeBob, and yeah, quite a good friend. So done. Now his name is also something with P. I'm just getting okay. And now the rest of the part is, we are making a cloud that looks like a cloud, but definitely that's not a cloud. Done. Now the next is, what are we making is again a princess only. So yeah, this time we have just given her some accessories. You know, princess is incomplete without accessories. So we have given her some accessories and that's done. Okay, so she's having that's like a fairy. She's not a princess, I'm sorry. And she's done. Oh, she's a devil. No, that's an angel. The next one here is, we are making a boat. Are we making a boat? Yeah, we are making a boat only. I don't know why. But okay, so your boat is done. The next, what are we making here is, I think the bird is saluting someone. Yeah, she's saluting someone. Okay, done. So thank you for watching the video.